नाउ लेट अस सी सम ऑफ द शेक्सपियर्स कंटेम्प्रेरीज। उसमें बेन जॉनसन का नाम एक आता है, इंपॉर्टेंट है ये। He was born in the year 1572 and died in the year 1637. Ben Jonson was born in 1572 in London. His father, a clergyman, died before he was born, and his mother remarried a bricklayer named Robert Brett. Johnson was educated at Westminster School by the great classical scholar William Camden. For a brief period, Johnson joined his stepfather's trade bricklaying, but soon became dissatisfied and later joined the army. He returned to London about 1594 and married Anne Lewis on 14 November 1594. Literary career and works देखते हैं। In London, Johnson joined a theatrical company and established himself as an actor and playwright. He was charged for sedition for a satirical play he wrote along with Thomas Nash entitled The Isle of Dogs, 1597. A year later, he gained recognition with his first major success, Every Man in His Humour. This play, its sequel, Every Man Out of His Humour, liberated his famous theory of humours. Next, Johnson was also involved in famous war of theatres with playwrights Johnson Marston and Thomas Dekker. Marston had presented a satirical poet of Johnson in his History of Mastics in 1599. Implies Johnson criticized Mason's styles as a Physician in his Every Man Out of His Humour. Marston believed Johnson attacked him in his Cynthia's Revels, and in turn Marston satirized Johnson as Lampatho Doria in his play What You Will. Later Johnson wrote The Poet Star, in which he mocked both Marston's and Decker's style of writing. Apart from his humor plays, Johnson's most well-known plays are comedies Epicon or The Silent Woman, Volpone, The Alchemist, and Bartholomew Fair. Johnson's two tragedies on Roman themes are सेजनास एंड कैटलिन। इसमें सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है आपका साइलेंट वुमेन, वोल्पोन, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एग्जाम में पूछे जाते हैं। इन हिस्ट्री ऑफ ड्रामेटिक पोएसी, ड्राइडन प्रेज जॉनसन एज द मोस्ट लर्नड एंड जुडियस राइटर विच एनी थिएटर एवर हैड। ड्राइडन ने जॉनसन की बड़ाई किया ड्रामेटिक पोएसी में, यह ध्यान रखिएगा। हु प्रेज जॉनसन, तो ड्राइडन प्रेज जॉनसन कहाँ, तो ड्रामेटिक पोएसी में। ही कंपेयर जॉनसन विद शेक्सपियर एंड कॉल्ड हिम द मोर करेक्ट पोइट। ये भी आता है एग्जाम में। Who said that Johnson was a more correct poet than Shakespeare? So it was Dryden. ठीक है। According to Dryden, if Shakespeare was Homer, Johnson was Virgil. Johnson died on 6th August 1637 and was buried in Westminster Abbey under a plain slab, on which was later carved the words "O rare Ben Jonson." His major works were comedies में A Tale of Tub 1596, The Isle of Dogs 1597 with Thomas Nash, Every Man in His Humour 1598, Every Man Out of His Humour 1599, Cynthia Revels 1600, The Poet Esther 1601, Eastward Ho, a collaboration with John Marston and George Chapman 1605 में, Volpone 1606, extremely important this is, Epicon or The Silent Woman 1609 में, The Alchemist comedy important है 1610 में, Bartholomew Fair comedy 1614 में, ट्रेजिडीज में सेजनस एंड कैटलाइन, मॉस्क्यूस इन्होंने लिखे थे, द कोरोनेशन ट्राइम्फ और द किंग्स एंटरटेनमेंट 1604 में, द मॉस्को ऑफ ब्यूटी 1608 में, द ह्यू एंड क्राई आफ्टर क्यूबिड और द मास्को एट लॉर्ड हैटिंगटन्स मैरिज 1608 में, द मास्को ऑफ क्यून 1609 में, द किंग्स एंटरटेनमेंट एंड वेलवेट इन नॉटिंगhamshire 1633 में, लव्स वेलकम एट वॉल्स्टर। सो दिस वॉज ऑल अबाउट बेन जॉनसन। थैंक यू। नेक्स्ट थिंग इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो।